Welcome back to Nicko's Kitchen, and here's how you make TGI Fridays loaded potato skins. Onto a baking tray lined with foil, place down 5 large potatoes and oil them all over with vegetable oil. Place into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit and bake for 1 hour. Remove, then cool the potatoes until you can handle them. Slice each potato into thirds. Remove the middle, which you can make potato mash for another dish, and keep the 2 sides. Place down and gently scoop out 80% of the potato flesh, creating a boat. Brush the surface with melted butter and sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of grated cheddar cheese and 1 tablespoon of cooked crispy bacon that I've diced finely. Place back into the oven, this time at 230 degrees Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit for just 1 minute or until the cheese is melted. Serve with sour cream and chopped spring onion. Full of flavour and perfect for sharing. An iconic dish at TGI's, now yours to make at home. And now all we have to do is get stuck into these bad boys.